Bold designs grab attention within seconds and encourage people to stop scrolling. Open Canva and create a new product poster from a blank canvas. Choose a strong background color or a high-contrast combination that matches your brand. Go to the Elements section and add large geometric shapes like rectangles, circles, or diagonal blocks to create an energetic composition. Upload your product image and make it the largest visual element on the poster. Arrange the shapes around the product to guide the viewer's eyes naturally toward the main message. Add a bold headline using a heavy font, followed by product information, pricing, and a compelling call to action. Use bright accent colors sparingly to highlight important details without overwhelming the layout.